Day 3 of the 30 Day Skincare Challenge. DIY Hydrating Winter Glow Mask. Protect and hydrate your skin this winter with our DIY Glow Mask. Perfect for combating dryness, dullness, and leaving your skin radiant all season. Welcome to day 3 of our 30 Day Skincare Challenge. Winter can be tough on your skin, but this DIY mask is here to help. It's packed with nourishing and hydrating ingredients to keep your skin soft, glowing, and protected from the harsh winter weather. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip on keeping your skin hydrated all day long. Step 1. Add 2 tablespoons of oats flour for gentle exfoliation and nourishment. Start with 2 tablespoons of oats flour. Oats are incredibly soothing and help gently exfoliate while also locking in moisture. It's perfect for reducing dryness and irritation in the cold weather. Step 2. Mix in 1 tablespoon of honey for natural hydration and antibacterial properties. Next, add 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is a natural humectant that keeps your skin hydrated while also providing antibacterial benefits. It's a must-have for glowing skin during winter. Step 3. Add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt for a hydration boost and skin softening. Now add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid that gently exfoliates and moisturizes, leaving your skin smooth and soft. Step 4. Add 1 tablespoon of almond oil for added nourishment and a radiant glow. Lastly, include 1 teaspoon of almond oil for extra nourishment. This oil is rich in vitamin E and works wonders for combating winter dryness and giving your skin a beautiful glow. Combine all ingredients to create a smooth paste. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until you get a smooth, creamy paste. If the mixture is too thick, you can add a teaspoon of rose water to adjust the consistency. Apply evenly to your face and neck. Leave on for 15 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. Apply the mask evenly to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 15 minutes, allowing the ingredients to work their magic. Rinse with lukewarm water and gently pat dry. Experience deeply hydrated, soft, and glowing skin this winter. Your skin feels deeply hydrated, softer, and visibly glowing. This mask is perfect for fighting dryness and keeping your skin radiant throughout the winter season. Apply a thin layer of your favorite moisturizer after rinsing for extra hydration. For the bonus tip, always follow up this mask with your favorite moisturizer to load in the hydration. This step ensures your skin stays soft and protected all day long. Enjoyed this winter glow mask? Like, share and subscribe for more. That's all for day 10. If you loved this winter glow mask, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Dr. Beauty Blaster for more skincare challenges and DIY remedies. Let's keep our skin glowing and healthy together.